Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word quadric. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The mathematician studied the properties of various quadric surfaces during his research. Quadric refers to mathematical objects, such as surfaces and equations, that are described by second-degree polynomials or involve terms raised to the second power. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.